everyone. I'm very thankful kasi pinag-aksayahan niyo ako ng time na mag-attend dito sa birthday celebration ko. Hindi ko na mapigilan. I'm 50 today. So happy birthday to me. Pero talagang thankful ako kasi nag-effort kayo. Although alam kong busy kayo sa work, mga duty pa yung iba. Pero nag-take time talaga kayo na maka-attend dito sa birthday ko. So, we're here at the Vikings. You must eat like a Vikings. Walang uuwing gutom, ha? Walang magre-reklamo, okay? That's all. Yung whole family, mga anak ko, mga kamag-anak, kapatid, kaibigan, kakilala, at mga ka-workmates ko, sana palagi din silang healthy. Especially mga patient ko din, para konti lang yung pasyente, konti lang ang malungkot. So, yun naman lagi ang wish ko. Stay healthy. Love you all!
Thank you, Doc.
Candles on the cake tonight, a golden glow, oh what a sight. Marisol, the queen of the scene, dancing through life like a dream. Half a century, look
Happy
at
birthday,
you
Tita Isel!
Happy birthday po, Tita Isel. We love you all.
Happy birthday, Tita Isel, and sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to.
Happy birthday, Tita Isel. I love you. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Hello, Beshi! Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Sel.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sel. Stay
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best for this day.
Happy birthday to my second mom!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa galing sa paboritong anak.
place you see because of you. Oh, Marisol, just be dance like nobody's keeping time. Sing your heart out.
Maricel, hello! Happy birthday! More birthday to come! Thank you for inviting us! Thank you!
Happy 50th, let's raise a cheer for every smile through every year. A heart so big, a soul so free, Marisol.
Hello, Sister Marcel. Greeting you happy 50th birthday. Hope you're always happy and enjoy your life.
Well, wishing you a happy birthday.
Hi, Ma'am Marcel. Happy
Birthday!
Hi Maricel, happy birthday! Welcome to golden age.
Happy birthday, Marcy! I love you!
A joyful bell, here's to you, dear Marisol.
Magandang gabi, mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, at mga kakilanlan. Ako'y inyong pinag-abalahan sa pagselebra ng aking kaarawan. Bagamat malayo, ako'y pinuntahan, kaya't aking ganti, kayo'y pasalamatan. Ngayong araw ang petsa ng aking pagsilang, inabot ng 50, naway humaba pa. Dasal lagi maging masaya, malusog at makapaglingkod pa. Ang araw na ito'y di ko sukat akalain, kayo'y makasama sa malaking piging. Salamat sa anak ko, John Benzel, sa pagmamagaling. Maidaos man lang kahit oras ay bitin. Salamat ina ko, ako'y binuhay. Pangsyam sa magkakapatid, di ba't nakakaumay? Ngunit andito sa inyong harapan at nagpapasalamat magpakailanman. Mensaheng ko'y ito'y wag nang pahabain, hapagkainan atin ang dumugin. Kasabihan nga ni Vikings, andito ka na, kaya eat like a Vikings.
In line by line, your laughter echoes. A joyful bell. Here's to
We
you,
have some
Marisol.
trivia, no? Kung gaano nyo talaga kakilala ang ating birthday celebrant.
chocolate?
A heart so big, a soul so free, Marisol.
Para kasama sa ward itong mga to, ah.
Every wrinkle tells a tale so true of love and laughter carried through. The world's a brighter place, you see, because of you.
So yun, kaya Beshi, thank you for everything. Thank you kasi hindi lang family ko ang inopen mo sa family. Hindi lang ako ang inopen mo sa family mo, pati na rin yung family ko. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga times na may lakad yung family mo, pati family ko kasama. Together with ate ni si Hannah, tsaka si Perky. Sobrang appreciated yun, Beshi.
One thing na siguro wish namin, not just for myself, but wish ng buong family is for Ate Maricel's good health and long life.
Nagpapasalamat kami, Ma'am, in behalf of the ward na nakasama ka namin and nakilala ka namin. Sana, Ma'am, mabuhay ka pa ng matagal hanggang gusto mo.
Continue your being galante.
Sana sabihin ka pa ng mahabang birthday.
Message ko, magpakabait ka. Good health and long life ang wish ko sa'yo. Oh, I love you.
Happy birthday at saka ang wish namin lahat para sa'yo, good health and happiness. Yung good health and then just always be grateful in life and happy birthday ulit. We love you with the love of our Lord.
Sana naging masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Alam mo naman, nandito lang kami lagi sa likod mo. Happy birthday once again and may God bless you always.
You're always there for us and our brothers. Thank you a lot. I always love you.
Marami ka pang birthday na i-celebrate, makakapag-travel pa tayo. Thank you po. And then, Mami, happy birthday. Sana na-enjoy mo yung day mo.
Everyone here is really grateful to have someone like her in our hearts. So, I guess wala naman sigurong magdi-disagree pag sinabi kong grateful tayo na may isang katulad niya tayo sa buhay natin. So, ayun.
Wishing you all the best for your 50th birthday. May all your wishes come true and may God continue to bless you with your health and more success. We love you.
Happy 50th.
Happy birthday. Okay, bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Esther. Hope you have a wonderful day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Maricel. Hope you enjoy your birthday and wish you all the best.
Happy birthday. We hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, Tita.
Enjoy your birthday. Napapambuhay mo. Habang mahaba. Happy 50th birthday.
Sabi nga nila magbuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo, girl. So, happy birthday, Sen. I love you. Thank you for keeping us and remaining through the years. I love you, girl, and also your family.
Happy birthday. Have a good day ahead and I wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marita.
Naging happy ako kasi kahit dream niya sa akin yon, hindi na naman magiging masaya kung ang dami kong in-invite pero walang pumunta, di ba? So, mas naging masaya kasi yung mga in-invite ko talaga nag-aksaya ng panahon. I know, napaka-busy nyo. At saka hindi naman talaga birong pumunta sa isang okasyon at mag-attend ka doon na yung ilang oras na sana sa family nyo na pero nag-aksaya kayo para umattend dito. Grateful ako talaga dahil nandyan kayo kasi hindi naman magiging masaya ang birthday party kung walang guest, di ba? So kayo yung nagdagdag ng happiness na nararamdaman ko ngayon. So I'm so grateful na pinagbigyan niyo yung invitation ko kahit through messenger lang. Maraming salamat sa pag-aaksaya niyo ng time, effort, And sana, ang wish ko lang, umuwi kayong busog. Yung bukas kahit hindi kayo mag-breakfast.